In this video, you will learn how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. To enable dark mode, simply go to File option. In File option, you will find the option of More. Select this one, and from here select Account. Here you will find the option of Office Themes. From here select Desirable Color. Click on this drop down list, and from here select Black. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Remember that Microsoft will apply these themes on your other applications such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint as well. After doing that, go to Excel sheet, and here you can see here that the Microsoft Excel has applied the dark mode on our sheet. If you want to change this one, simply again go to this file menu, and from here go to More option and select Account, and from Account select the desirable themes from Office Themes. Click on this, and I want to apply colorful themes. Select this one. If you open the Excel sheet, you can see here that the colorful themes is applied on our sheet. Now you will learn how to apply this theme on your sheet as well, because Microsoft Excel has applied these themes on the ribbons, and Microsoft Excel did not apply this theme on our sheet. If you are interested to apply this theme on your sheet as well, you have to do a trick. Simply go to Page Layout option, and in Page Layout option you will find the option of Background. Select this one. From here you will find different options. To insert picture, I will select Bing Image Search. I will search black color. I will write black. After that, press enter. You will find different pictures. I will select this one and click on insert. Wait for just 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has applied these themes on our sheet. Click here to select all this sheet. Go to Home tab and change the font colors so that font color is visible to us, because currently black color is selected and the background color is also black. Now you can see here our data is visible now. So by using this you can enable the dark mode in sheet as well as the ribbon. And if you want to remove this one, simply again go to Page Layout option, and from here you will find Delete Background, and this background will be deleted. If I again select this one, go to Home tab and select black font, then all data will be visible. So by doing so you can easily apply dark mode in Microsoft Excel, and you can easily change the sheet color or sheet background. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.